If you have a busy week and don't have time to cook, then try this quick and easy chicken and veggie stir fry. Today, we're meal prepping a delicious Chinese dish that tastes even better than takeout and makes for a great lunch or dinner meal prep. The best part is these bowls have a balance of veggies and protein. They're so easy to make, anyone can make it at home. So, let's not waste time, let's get cooking. Cut one head of broccoli into small pieces. Then get about 10 snow peas, slice a carrot into about 3mm thin but 15mm wide pieces. Cut at an angle 2 celery stalks into thin pieces. Then chop 2 cups of Nappa Cabbage into about 1.5 inch wide pieces. We'll use 5 chicken thighs, trimming excess fat as we go, and thinly cutting the thighs into strips about 10mm wide and about 2 inches long. For the marinade, add 3 teaspoons of white pepper, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, and mix. Make sure to really get all that marinade into all of the chicken. This helps give lots of flavor. Let's marinate for at least 30 minutes for best results. For the sauce or gravy, get a separate bowl and measure about 2 cups of chicken broth. Water can also be used as a substitute. One and a half teaspoon of white pepper, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing Wine, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix. This sauce really melds with the rice later, so don't skip the sauce or gravy, trust me. In a separate bowl, we'll mix together a cornstarch slurry by adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and then 1 cup of chicken broth. Mix and set aside. Let's cook. Heat up oil on a wok set to high heat, then add our chicken. Toss continuously until our chicken is cooked and browned. This might take 5 to 7 minutes depending on how much chicken you make. Set the cooked chicken aside. Toss the veggies into the wok. Then our sauce. Bring the sauce to a simmer, which takes about 4 minutes. Then add back the chicken, mix a little, and then add the cornstarch slurry. Mix so that the sauce thickens up and toss so that everything gets some of the sauce. And that's it! We can now plate everything into our meal prep containers. Each serving will get about 1¼ cup of white rice and 1¼ cup of chicken and veggie stir fry. This smells delicious. This is by far one of my favorite chicken and veggie stir fries, and if you want, you can even add some bamboo shoots to give the dish a little more texture. This recipe makes about 6 to 7 servings and lasts about 1 week in the refrigerator. And boom, we have meal prep chicken and veggie stir fry. So good, you're going to want to give it a try. This truly does taste better than takeout and costs a fraction of eating out these days. This recipe not only tastes great, but it is so simple and easy to follow, everyone can make it at home. Here are the ingredients. If this recipe looks good, then be sure to like and subscribe to keep these videos coming. And let me know in the comments below what your favorite stir fry is. Now, it's time for you to go get meal prepping, and I'll see you next time.